Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the top right and top left effect in CapCut PC using a transition. Alright, so select the photos you want to edit and you can adjust for the image duration in 1.0 second. Alright, so 1.0 second. You are just going to go to transition and select camera, and you can find the top left and top right. So for the first, you can select the top right and adjust for the duration in 0.3 second, and select top left for the next, and top right again, sorry, and so on. All right, up or down. You are just going to go to effect, select video effect, and select night club. You can select for the a shot just for duration in the same length with the long of clips. Just for the strings in 10, and then speed 10 also. So you can see this is the final result you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching.